Welcome back to another LaColors review. Today we're going to be reviewing the HYPNO Holographic nail polishes from LaColors. These are $2 each in store, $3 online. There are 8 different shades to choose from, and these are the 3 shades that I was most interested on the website, and when I found them in stores, I snatched them up. First off, these are absolutely beautiful, stunning nail polishes. Now the website claims these are iridescent sparkles. They reflect, making these polishes hypnotic and mesmerizing. They absolutely do. That is a very true statement. One of the non-true statements that it claims on the website is that these are holographic. It's even stamped on the bottle. These don't have any rainbow shimmers, any of that rainbow reflectiveness in them. They're not holographic nail polishes. To me, these are glorified duochrome, chrome-like finish polishes. But that's okay, because it still makes them very nice and unique nail polishes, especially if you don't own any duochrome nail polishes already in your collection. One really neat thing about these nail polishes is you can use these as a standalone nail polish for a very beautiful effect in their own self, or you can apply them over top of white nail polish, black nail polish, any other nail polish you want to give it an extra effect. Let's talk about wear on these nail polishes. The wear on these polishes for an LaColors polish is phenomenal. It's great. I do dishes most days twice a day, not to mention showering and bathing a small child. My hands are literally constantly in water. These polishes, with all the water abuse my hands go through, they lasted 4 days without chipping, with just a top coat on to seal them in. I use Pro FX top coat, if you're wondering. Great top coat, and it does really seal in the polish. But with that aside, a lot of times the LaColors or other brands will chip very quickly, especially when you're in water a lot. But these 4 days, I end up taking them off, so I guarantee you that they would last longer than 4 days without chipping. Now, in terms of opaqueness of all these polishes, here is Voodoo, the green one, and it took about 3 coats. These are kind of sheer. Euphoric is the pink one here, and it took about 3 coats as well to be opaque. And here is Wander, it's the purple one, and it took, if you keep layering it, it's going to take about 5 layers of polish to become opaque. And I mean opaque in the way that you don't see your fingernail shining through the nail polish or coming through that. They are sheer nail polishes. These are kind of meant to be a top coat, so to speak. But they can be worn alone though. You just got to build them up. I don't think 3 coats is too bad for Euphoric and Voodoo here because they're so beautiful. Now, in terms of effect, Wander is a purple with a blue shift. Euphoric is also a fuchsia magenta nail polish here, pink, with a blue shift on there. Little bit of pink and purple iridescent shimmers in there as well. Voodoo is my favorite. Voodoo is a teal nail polish, and it has a blue and purple shift in there. Very beautiful. This one is, you need this one. You need Voodoo. The Voodoo nail polish here, Voodoo has several different dimensions, and whether or not you're in the shade, you're in the sunlight, but mainly the Euphoric and Wonder only have mainly that blue shift to them. So that's why I say they have those color shifts. That's why they're more duochrome to me than a holographic nail polish. I don't know why they have holographic on them. They are the furthest thing from holographic. Like I stated before, they're more of a duochrome foil chrome-like on your nails. The finish dries down to. Overall, I absolutely love these. I think you guys should give them a try, especially if you don't own any kind of special effect duochrome kind of nail polishes in your collection. They're absolutely worth the $3 you might pay online and the $2 you would pay in the store. The wear on them is fantastic, absolutely phenomenal for an LA Colors nail polish. And yes, hope you found the review helpful. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys always for watching, and stay tuned for more LA Colors reviews. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't already, and thank you guys always for watching.